Welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we're exploring one of the best seasonal centerpiece bowls for your home, the Fall Decor Rustic Chunky Wood Candy Corn Bowl Fillers 6-piece set. This set is the perfect addition to elevate your Halloween and fall decor, bringing a warm and whimsical touch to any space. Crafted from wood, each candy corn sitter stands approximately 3 inches tall and features a charming rustic design that embodies the spirit of the season. Whether you're looking to enhance your tabletop, decorate a shelf, or add seasonal flair to your windowsill, this set offers versatile placement options that make it easy to incorporate into any room. Each piece is carefully handcrafted, giving it a unique look and feel, making your fall decor stand out from mass-produced alternatives. This set includes 6 candy corn wooden sitters, each designed to capture the playful essence of fall. Their handcrafted details highlight the quality and care put into every piece. The combination of natural wood and paint creates a primitive yet stylish aesthetic, perfect for those who enjoy a rustic touch in their seasonal decorations. One of the best things about this set is how effortlessly it blends into various decor themes. From classic Halloween to harvest-inspired arrangements, these candy corn sitters complement pumpkins, gourds, and other seasonal accents beautifully. They bring not only visual appeal but also a sense of warmth and cheer that can enhance gatherings, parties, or even quiet evenings at home. Measuring 3 inches in height and crafted from durable wood, these candy corn bowl fillers are lightweight yet sturdy. They are designed purely for decorative purposes, so while they are not suitable for microwaves or dishwashers, they are ideal for long-term use as part of your seasonal decor rotation. The brown rustic finish adds an earthy tone that harmonizes with autumn colors and textures. In summary, the Fall Decor Rustic Chunky Wood Candy Corn Bowl Fillers 6-piece set is more than just a decoration. It's a seasonal centerpiece that brings charm, character, and a festive touch to your home. From its handcrafted quality to its versatile design, it's a delightful way to celebrate fall in style. Add it to your seasonal decor collection and transform your space into a cozy, welcoming autumn haven. That's it for today's product spotlight on Product Critique. Stay tuned for more unique and stylish home decor finds that make every season special.